just want to welcome everyone to AEM Manufacturing Express Tour Stop here at Terramac in St. Louis, Missouri. I'd like to start by giving a heartfelt thank you to our customers. Your business is the reason we're here today. Big thank you to everyone who came out to join us on this historic tour showcasing the best of American manufacturing. We're excited to share our truly amazing team and facility with cutting-edge innovations that are shaping the future of the industry with you all today. For those of you I have not had the pleasure to meet, I'm JJ Costello, co-CEO alongside my brothers Clayton and Clark of the CK Power family of companies. We're incredibly proud to have three of our divisions, Terramac, CK Power, and Hayes, recognized as established members of AEM. Today, we're especially excited to share our newest Terramac facility with all of you. The journey to open this facility has been both challenging and rewarding, and it's an honor to host you as we celebrate not only the spirit of manufacturing, but also the contributions we've made to our industry, the local community, and the national economy. 2023 was a milestone year for us. It marks the opening of this Terramac facility, our fourth manufacturing site, and the second one right here in St. Louis, a place that holds deep meaning for our family. As proud St. Louis natives, we are humbled to be in a position to bring growth and development to the north side by creating more local manufacturing jobs and investing in the community that shaped who we are. With this facility's expansion, we've reached a new record, our largest workforce yet, now over 502 strong and growing. Manufacturing is the backbone of progress, and the city's dedication helps us create jobs, foster innovation, and build a stronger future. We need to continue advocating for manufacturing because it drives our local economy and keeps America moving. Thank you, St. Louis, for standing with us in this effort.